In this regard, Honorable President, we would like to report that the Disaster Risk Management Act, the Act then seeks to provide for the establishment of institutions that focuses on the prevention and reduction of risk disaster, mitigating the severity and the post-disaster recovery within our country. Namibia is amongst the many countries in the SADC region that is currently confronted by severe drought, and the state of emergency was declared with special attention to drought-stricken areas and districts. Parliament is also closely monitoring the interventions by the executive. In Namibia, we see gender-based balance and the promotion of youth and women as relevant, and as such that the youngest member of cabinet is 28-year-old and who is also the head of the Ministry of ICT, having been appointed as a deputy minister at the age of 25. Another 28-year-old is a chief whip in the part of a party who is also currently serving as a SADC-PF member. Namibia's energy policy accommodates an energy mix as the country gravitates towards renewable energy sources. Namibia is a signatory to the Paris Agreement and has its own national energy policy. Extracting national resources such as oil does not mean it is backtracking on its commitment to decarbonize, but with these discoveries, we hope that the energy crisis in SADC region and the entire Africa will be averted. The Access to Information Bill was recently passed by Parliament. Before being passed in Parliament, the bill was referred to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on ICT for further consultation engagements with different stakeholders, including the general public, in order for them to give their input to close any loopholes preventing easy access to information in order to empower communities with timely, adequate and accurate information, so that schools, learning institutions, libraries, traditional authorities and government offices must be installed with Wi-Fi facilities to enable easy access to information through the internet and ensure sufficient network coverage throughout the country. The very progressive Child Care and Protection Act of 2015 protects the rights of children and youth, and in particular Article 226 prohibits child marriages and engagements of persons below the age of 21. Committee on Gender, Social Development and Family Affairs, in a collaboration with HIV and AIDS and Governance Project of the SADC Parliamentary Forum, has visited health facilities in the country to try and ascertain the health conditions and other challenges related to HIV and AIDS and the sexual reproductive health and rights. The visits are also part of an oversight function and responsibilities of parliamentarians to raise awareness and advocate universal access to SRHR and HIV and AIDS.